A loose or misaligned connection is almost always why a tire inflator will not lock onto the valve stem during aerosol spray can recharge. First, confirm you are using the correct adapter for the valve type and that the inflator head and adapter threads are clean and free of debris. Inspect the locking cap or chuck for bent jaws, compressed seals, or missing spring tension, and gently bend or replace parts as needed. Most locking chucks use a simple cam or plunger mechanism that must move freely. Check valve orientation on the can and on the tire stem so the pin inside the chuck can depress the valve core fully. If the valve stem is angled or recessed, use an angled or longer adapter that matches the stem geometry. Try a modified or alternate valve sleeve if the standard adapter is too large or too small. You can use a rubber sleeve or tapered insert to create a snug fit without forcing metal parts. Lightly lubricate rubber seals with a silicone or water-displacing spray applied to the adapter only, not inside the valve core, to help the chuck slide and lock. Avoid petroleum-based lubricants that can degrade seals. Finally, hold the connection steady and apply locking pressure by turning the cap or cam in the direction indicated until you feel the mechanism engage, listening for an audible click, or sensing increased resistance that indicates a seal. Common problems include a worn or damaged locking cap that will not engage, which you can remedy by replacing the chuck or using a compatible spare cap to restore proper jaw tension. Another frequent issue is misaligned or recessed valve stems that prevent the internal pin from depressing the core, and the fix is to use an angled or extended adapter or reposition the can and inflator to a straighter approach. A third problem is sticky or swollen rubber seals caused by dirt or inappropriate lubricants, solved by cleaning seals with isopropyl alcohol and applying a light silicone spray to the adapter only, then testing before reuse. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows practical how-to advice for common repair tasks like inflator and valve troubleshooting. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips and offer feedback, and we help contractors find work by listing projects and opportunities that match their skills.